Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this full coverage glam makeup look with the most easiest glittery sparkly eyes. 7 years of me into makeup, this is my first attempt with glitters on my eyes. I know as Indians we were scared of makeup, lipsticks, colorful eyeshadows and all that. Let's come out and try experimenting with colors and glitters and have fun. I have created the easiest eye makeup possible. Starting with a well moisturized face, I used the Pure Bubbles Clarity Lotion. It's a great moisturizer for oily skin. It controls oil and no greasiness, yet very hydrating. Then I used the Laneige Lip Mask to prep my lips, as usual, wearing my grey contacts. Starting the makeup with eyebrows is my fave thing. Using the Lakme's Micro Brow Pencil, filling it in as usual, then combing it through to blend. Then using the Krylon concealer with a flat brush to clean up my eyebrows. You can use any thick cream concealer to do this step. It makes a huge difference. Then blending it out with a sponge. Using the same concealer to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. And then setting it with a loose powder to make sure the eyeshadows and the glitter does not move throughout the day. Then taking a burnt orange shade from the Miss Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and applying it as a transition shade. Then taking a gunmetal shade and applying it all over the eyelids, and that's it for the eyeshadow. Then we are going to apply some glitter on top. The metallic shadows performed well when applied with fingers than with the brush. Blending both the colors with the pointed grease brush. Now the star of the show is this glitter from TS Cosmetics. It looks white but reflects a beautiful green color. The shade name is Magic. Yes, it's a magic glitter. I use the PAC glitter primer as a base for the glitter, and taking the glitter with a nice fluffy brush and dabbing it on my eyelids. Always do your eye makeup first while doing glitters to prevent the mess on your base. Moving on to the other eyes, doing the same thing. Then to the base, to cover the pigmentation, I use the LA Girl concealers in the shade orange and fawn mixed. If the pigmentation is more, you can use the orange directly. And blend really well. For foundation, today I am using the Huda Beauty foundation stick in the shade Toffee. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. I am loving this recently, guys. I always prefer stick foundations to liquid foundations because it's mess free and easy. This is like a perfect match for me. Using a dense foundation blending brush to blend the foundation. For stick foundation, it's easier to blend with the foundation brush. Something about foundation blending looks so satisfying, right? For highlighting, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand and highlighting the usual areas. Under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead, under where my contour should be. And then blend it all in. Blend it really well. To set the base, I'm using the translucent loose powder from RCMA. This gives no flashback and no white cast, and that's why I love this. Baking the areas I usually tend to get oily. Basically the whole face, because I become an oily mess later. While it's baking, I'm going to cream contour using the K Beauty contour crayon in the shade Cocoa Focus and contouring under my cheekbones, my forehead, my jaw, and my nose. Blending it with the same foundation brush we used earlier. And then dusting away the excess powder. Back to the eyes using the same gunmetal shadow and glitter on the lower lids. For liner, I'm using the Lakme Iconic liner and doing a simple, no fancy, no wing liner, and using the Bellora Cosmetics Kajal to the water and the lash line, and then smudging it with my finger. Applying a little gold shadow on the inner corners to brighten, and then I applied a false lash from Renee, and the style name is the Fiery One. Use the Mars Cosmetics mascara to finish off the base. I used the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep to contour. For blush, I use the Forever 52 blush palette, the last two shades. Amazing pigmentation, guys, it's worth every penny. Then using the Mars Cosmetics highlighter, the middle three shades. Very affordable and very pigmented and very nice one. For lips, I use the Mars Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Everyday Nude. Now guys, this has already got a place in my heart. I'm loving the shade and the formula. It's transfer proof and so comfortable. That's it, guys. If you like the look, please click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's it. Bye.